Welcome to my channel. How to set up D-Link R15 Wi-Fi 6 router, easy installation tutorial. 1. Unbox the router, take out the router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and quick installation card from the box. 2. Turn off your modem, switch off your internet modem/ONT before connecting the router for a clean setup. 3. Connect the router to the modem, plug the Ethernet cable into the modem and connect the other end to the router's WAN/internet port. 4. Power on the devices, turn on the modem first, wait 2 minutes, then plug in the router power adapter and switch it on. 5. Connect your phone or PC to Wi-Fi, join the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, printed on the router sticker or quick card. 6. Install the D-Link AI app, download the official D-Link AI app on Android or iPhone for easy setup and management. 7. Run the setup wizard, open the app and tap Install New Device. Scan the QR code from the setup card and follow the on-screen instructions. 8. Create your Wi-Fi name password, set a new Wi-Fi network name and strong password for better security. WPA3 security is supported on the router. 9. Update router firmware, check for firmware updates during setup to improve speed, stability, and security. 10. Test the internet connection, connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network and test browsing, streaming, or gaming to confirm everything works properly. Thanks for watching.